Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for October 4th. We are looking at the US Japanese yen pair first. This particular pair closed up, did gap down a little bit, filled that gap, closed up. We are looking for this pair overall to be moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 84.23, possibly as low as 82.65. Look for some resistance around 83.80 and look for some support around 83.15. Okay, now switching over to the Euro USD pair. This particular pair, there we go, closed down during this last session. Did gap up, did retrace that gap and close lower. Not sure if we'll get a reversal. It seems like every time we get a down bar, we get a breakout to the upside. This one's a little bit more substantial than the rest. However, if you look at the distance between this up candle as far as average true range and this down candle, average true range are very similar to this. So definitely keep an eye on the breakout. However, we are looking for this overall to be moving to the upside. Look for it to hit some resistance around 138.10, possibly hitting some support around 135.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this particular pair is moving sideways, created another inside bar. Definitely looking for the breakout of that. Closed up. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 159.53, possibly as low as 156.72. Look for some resistance around 158.75 and look for some support around 157.15. Okay, now the US Swiss, this particular pair closed down, gap down, filled that gap, but did close lower. This pair is moving lower overall. If we get a reversal, look for it to go up to 0.9842, possibly down to 0.9635. There we go. Look for some resistance around 0.9775 and look for some support around 0.9700. Okay, well, we do have one news announcement for this next session. It's the Bank of Japan releasing their rate decision. No consensus. Well, the consensus on this is that they're going to hold rates at 0.10%. No time has been given for this news release, though. Okay, as far as what I'm looking at during this next session, we have created, or the pound has created rather, two inside bars in a row. It's definitely imminent of a breakout, or breakout is imminent, rather. There we go. We have a high here and a low. At this point, looking for a breakout to the upside, we have a clear defined exit point by using the high and low of the previous bar that created the first inside bar. So we're looking basically for a sell at this point at the 1.5702 mark, coming down to 1.5666. So a move of about 40 pips there or so. Also have a potential buy at 158.72 and looking for it to go up to 159.21, which would be roughly about a 50 pip move. So looking for it to move between those two. There's a potential for a breakout in either direction, and I do believe that one of these will occur over the next session. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.